In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find WordPress database name. We'll walk through the WordPress.com dashboard and use database-related tools to understand how your site data is handled, along with helpful context, so you know what to expect. Start by heading to wordpress.com/sites and sign in if prompted. This opens the Sites area, where you can see the sites connected to your account. Click Sites in the left navigation to view your list, then select the site you want to work with. Once you're on the correct site, open the Plugins section in the sidebar. On WordPress.com, the database is managed for you, so you typically won't see the database name directly. However, exploring database-related plugins is a practical way to understand how content is stored and managed behind the scenes. In the plugin directory, use the highlighted options to navigate. Then choose the Must-Have Premium Plugins section to see trusted, high-quality tools. Next, go to the search field and type a relevant keyword. Enter database to filter results to plugins that interact with stored data. From the results, select the plugin called Database Add-on for Contact Form 7, CFDB7. First, click it in the listings to open its card, and then click again to open the full details page. On that page, choose the entry that reads, Save and Manage Contact Form 7 Messages. Never lose important data. It is a lightweight Contact Form 7 database plugin. This summarizes how it captures form submissions and stores them in your site's database. Now review the tabs so you understand what the plugin does and how it works. Open Description to get an overview of features and use cases. Move to Installation to see setup guidance and any prerequisites. Check Changelog to learn about updates and compatibility. Finally, read through FAQs for answers to common questions and tips for troubleshooting. If you're ready to try it on a new WordPress.com site, click Get Started. This opens the onboarding flow. Use the highlighted option to proceed, then choose Search Domains to find a new address for your site. If you already have a domain, select Already Have a Domain and follow the prompt to use your existing one. Enter the domain in the highlighted field and click Continue to move forward. A quick note for clarity. On WordPress.com, the actual database name isn't typically exposed because the platform manages that layer for you. If you're working on a self-hosted WordPress site instead, you'll usually find the database name defined as db_name in your wp-config.php file or listed in your hosting control panel. Always create a backup before making